Our motto for Rebuilding Together is warm, safe, and dry. And that can cover a multitude of things when you get into a house and start working on it. And hopefully it makes it a better place to live for everybody. It improves the community all the way around. I think it's very important. It creates a camaraderie. Neighbors supporting neighbors, community residents supporting community residents, and hopefully all of it is to make a better community for everybody.
Legacy Foundation is a foundation that receives donations from people within a community or within an area. They're able to distribute those money in the form of grants and scholarships to areas and neighborhoods and individuals that might need them. Different than what we've kind of done in the past through Rebuilding Together. Usually we're kind of keeping homes warm, safe, and dry. We needed there was a need over here in the west side of Hobart that was more than just the houses that need to be fixed up. So we decided to partner up and pick 3 streets and put a lot of effort in there, a lot of volunteers to come together and actually clean the street up. And we actually were able to fill up 1 dumpster completely full of stuff and continue to do that, weed whacking, some kind of landscaping things and clean it up.
One of our problems in the past has been getting enough volunteers. We're always a little bit short. And so we always can use all we can get, even a couple hours. Paint, 2 or 3 hours, yard cleanups, things that people can't get done on their own, just to make it better.